Yeah, it's just the way the wind blow. And yeah, you know, it's like memories always trip me out. Thinking back on shit. You check how much you've grown in the past little while, you know what I'm saying? It's bugged out.
Check it out, yo. I never thought it would amount to this. When I sit and reminisce about your mouth and lips, a pleasure pumping at your body like a fountain kiss. How could it happen? Do with love so mountainous? It's kinda bug way the people change over time. New job, new group of friends, new design. Maybe it could be the course that your life take, but if you're playing with a heart, then it might break. Now I'm riding the bus up in the springtime, popping off leaves in the breeze, making pedals start shaking off. Feel something melancholy blowing on the wind as I sit, think about how it was back then. Back then, thinking to the end, thinking to myself, could we just be friends? Shit could get deeper when your heart's in the blend. Young blood writing rhymes with a bad in the pen. How it was back then, thinking to the end, wondering now, could we ever be friends? Times are changing, other things rearrange. It seems like you and I will never be the same. Now it's been a couple years and your girl hit me up, talking dirty on the phone, telling me she wanna I politely decline invitation to her thighs. Besides, I got a real queen all up in my mind who I love and respect. So go ahead with your love affair, but I'ma just through me, there's less trouble there. Stay true to myself, ain't got a double dare. Kick it at the crib like a hibernating bear. Said that you were dependent upon a man like rap. When I seen you at a party, I ain't gotta wonder why. Staring at me with the far away look in your eye, like the Biggie Small song, want that old thing back. Hey yo, it killed me to hear about the horror that you've been through, but on the real, baby girl, I kinda miss you. Feeling helpless, wishing I could help you, but as I stand, yo, there's nothing that I can do. Back then, thinking to the end, thinking to myself, could we just be friends? Shit could get deeper when your heart's in the blend. Young blood writing rhymes with a bad in the pen. How it was back then, thinking to the end, wondering now, could we ever be friends? Times are changing, other things rearrange. It seems like you and I will never be the same.
Yeah, you know, this is some new shit for when it just don't click, you know? So take solace in my words, for all you cats and birds. Yeah, Slippery E and Astrologic, from the Eloquent Folk Crew. What up, A-Ro? And we out like this. Springtime. Peace.
Thank you.